Firstly, we are talking about a reference manager program, one of the most appropriate reference manager program, the Mendeley. Okay, there are many different programs that can be used for the same purpose, like Zotero and whatever. Okay, regarding the Mendeley, it gives you the opportunity to upload up to 2 giga. 2 giga references online. Okay. By using the Mendeley, you can arrange your reference. You can manage it. You can make a group from your references. Okay. It makes the research about the references much easier than without Mendeley. Okay. It makes the bibliography at the end of the research paper automatically. Okay. To use the Mendeley, you have to firstly to make an account on the Mendeley website. Okay. As you can see here, you have to go through the Mendeley website and download Mendeley for desktop. As I already have an account on the Mendeley, this is my page. Okay, you can download the Mendeley to your desktop from here. Download Mendeley for desktop. The Mendeley is compatible with the Mac operating system, Windows operating system, Linux, as well as Android. Okay. After making a registration on the Mendeley website, you can download Mendeley desktop for free. It is another advantage of the Mendeley, as it is already free. Okay, but it is free up to 2 giga capacity. If you would like to, you can see here, you can save it anywhere. Okay. After installing the Mendeley, as I don't have much giga.
جوجل درايف بيعمل ساين، بيعمل سنكرونايزيشن دلوقتي، خد بالك بيعمل بوزنج دي. العلامه بتاعت الايكون بتاعت جوجل درايف بتاعت
عشان الباقه ما تخلصش.
ايوه. يعمل كتير بوز.
Okay. After installing the Mendeley on your desktop and open it, you can see this window. Okay, this is the main window of Mendeley. You can see here it is divided into 3 sections. Okay, the first section, it is your library 3.
Excuse me.
Okay. كده كويس؟ تظهر حضرتك على resolution ولا؟
أو ممكن تكبرها شوية.
كده كويس؟ The first section on the left side, it is your library tree. Okay, as you can see here, I have many in my tree. I have many folders and many groups. Okay, if you would like to download, for example, any research, for example, is regarding my research point from Science Direct or whatever. Okay, you can see after downloading the paper, you can see it. It is named with a random name. Okay, there is no indication about the title of the paper. There is no indication about the year of the publication of this paper. Okay, about the author. Okay, so if you would like to make a library by yourself, you have to rename each file by yourself. But by using the Mendeley, you can just simply to add a reference to the Mendeley, open the folder to which you would like to add this reference, and drag and drop this reference to this folder. Okay. As you can see here, now you have the reference with its name. Okay. The third section of the Mendeley window, you can see the reference title, the author, okay, the publication year, the volume of this of this paper, and journal itself, and every details about this paper. And it is already, you can arrange these references by the author, by title, if you would like to search by your eyes about a certain title, by the publication year, the published in what journals, okay, by the time you added these papers. Okay, if you add this paper right now, if you add this paper yesterday, okay, and you would like to go back to the papers that you added it yesterday, you can arrange this paper by the date of adding. Okay. If you notice that this paper I already added it before, okay, so if I edit it again, okay, to the Mendeley, by a percentage of 90%, this paper will not duplicated. Okay, it will refer to the same paper again, but you have to check it by yourself. Okay, as there is sometimes there will be a duplications by the same reference, and sometimes you will see it signs there is a duplication in your reference, but make sure it is right. Check it by yourself in this case. Okay. It makes some errors.
Highlights the duplication or not?
Yes. If you would like to make a duplication test, I will show you later. Okay. In addition to that, if you would like to add the same reference for different groups, you can make it with only single one file. So you can make a highlight in this in this paper, okay, and use it. For example, if I would like to make it a reference for the node, I can drag it and drop it to the node. If I would like to make it for the experimental folder, I can drag it and drop it to the experimental folder. This is science direct measurement of methanol. Let's go to check.
Question, please. Are these virtual folders? These are just entries in the program. These are not actual folders in the hard drive. These are just names, or these are actual folders in the hard drive.
Already you can make a folders here. These folders I already made it by myself. Okay.
Are these in the hard drive with real PDFs, or just entries in the program?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
I think he asked if these folders are in your hard drive or on the internet.
Both of them. Both of them.
Another. So when you take a PDF from one folder to another, it copies the PDF
Yes.
of the hard drive from this location to that location.
Yes.
Okay, it's not just like the favorites or bookmarks.
Actually, in your hard drive, you have just one folder for Mendeley.
Yeah.
Include all the references together. Okay, but here in the Mendeley Windows, it is just arranged it. Okay.
Okay.
You don't have in your desktop this folder tree.
Okay, it's all one root, and all of this is from one root. It's recently added all
Okay.
of this, and
Yes.
he arranged this inside the single folder of Mendeley.
Yes.
Something like Dropbox or something.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As you can see here, this is our paper. Okay. You can find it in the node folder, and you can find it the same in the experimental folder. If I would like to make another folder, okay, for example, just right click and new folder, okay, anything, Egypt, okay, this is an empty folder, okay. I can drag and drop some folders from outside. I can drag and drop some folders from the Mendeley itself. If I would like, if I have just, for example, 100 paper in the same folder on my hard disk, and I would like to add this papers, okay, to the Mendeley at the same time, okay, you can drag and drop all the folder, okay, or you can add files from file menu. You can choose add files or add folders. Okay, in this case, we would like to add
You
folders.
analyze all the PDFs in the folder and add them.
Yes.
To where?
You have to choose the folder by yourself.
Not from where
Yes.
To which folder in Mendeley?
Let's see together.
Okay.
In this case, saying here, for example, let's see, I can choose this folder, okay. As you can see here, this folder is added, okay, to the folder I choose it before. I was here in Egypt,
Yeah,
okay, and I choose to add a folder to this folder, okay. If I would like to add a folders or some reference to another folder, I can go to the other folder and choose it again, okay. As you can see here, I have just I have some references. It is highlighted as a favorite, okay. We have just added it together right now, okay. But I already have I already had these papers before, and I marked it as favorite. So it analyzes these references and check if I already have these references. It go back to the older files, okay, and use it, okay. If I would like to add to open this folder, I have two options, okay. I can open this folder in the Mendeley window, okay, or I can just double click on it. I can open it, okay, or I can open it file externally. So I can use it externally and make some highlighting, whatever, okay, and just to save and close this file. If we highlight something here and save the file and close it and open it again after some days, okay, you can see your highlight
So highlighting here
is here, okay,
done externally or in Mendeley?
externally using the PDF, but by saving it in the PDF, okay, it is already saved to the Mendeley,
See.
okay. As you can see here, you can make a notes about this file, okay. For example, you can make it as it is used by another references. It may be useful for another purpose, okay, etc. These details, okay, sometimes the Mendeley read it in a wrong way, okay. So and sometimes it make a highlight about this error, okay. So you have to check it by yourself. If it is okay, okay, make it keep it keep it as it is. If it is not okay, you can change it by your hand. Okay.
Excuse me, about here if the mistake, how write the author names?
The author name, just click it and write it.
First one and then enter the second one. What about the format of writing the author name? Sometimes write the first letter from the first name. And
You are talking about the style of bibliography.
yes.
Okay, I will talk
And
about. I will
also
talk
how
about.
write several names in the author. If it is correct.
Okay, this is another point. Not here. This is just for your indication. Okay, you can, as you can see here, for example, for this reference. If you would like to add the author's name, you can copy it and drop it in the Mendeley. Okay. Regarding to the writing of the bibliography, okay, it is another point. Not here. Not from this window. Not from this window. I will talk about this point exactly later.
But I want to know how I write this in the author name to make this three names, not three authors, not long name. This I want to check.
Here,
Yes.
it is automatically. Okay, but if I would like to change it by myself, I can change it. Just I'm sorry if I didn't understand you.
لو عايز اكتبهم هناك ويطلعوا لي ثلاثة اوثر مش يطلع لي اسم على بعض. في الحتة دي يعني هو بيكتبهم غلط خلاص عايز اخدهم بقى من هنا واطلعهم هناك بس بحيث ان هو لما يجي يعملهم بالستايل يطلعوا ثلاثة اوثر مش واحد. مش واحد وفيرست نيم ويروح مسقط اللي في النص وياخد اخر واحد اسم بتاع اخر واحد.
ايوه ما دي حاجه ثانيه. ان هو بيكتبه في البيوجرافي ده حاجه ثانيه خالص.
طب بس برضه سؤال خالص لو انا عايز اصلح هاخد اي بيبر واكتب لي الاوثرز في الحته دي.
خلاص احنا اخدناها كوبي.
هو واضح ان هو بيفصل بينهم بالكوبي. انا اعتقد
last name first name comma last name first name comma last name first name comma enter between each name. Okay, this is the style of adding.
اعمل بيست بقى للكوبي اللي انت حاطه.
Okay.
ده اللي انا قصدي بقى في الانترا دي.
Okay. If you have any library in another programs, you can import your library to the Mendeley by using import to the from the Zotero library. You can using export to export your library to another program. Okay. Let's see if I would like to delete some document. Okay, from this folder. Okay, just right click and delete the document. Okay, you can delete the document or remove it from the folder. If you delete the document, it will be deleted from the Mendeley totally. If you remove this file from this folder, it will be removed from this file only. Okay, but if it is used in another folders, it will be maintained. Okay.
In case of duplication, the duplicated files, the difference is in case if I have several copies of the file, but if I have only one copy, the two are the same.
Let's check for the duplication. Okay. From tools, you can check for duplications. Okay. In my case, there is no duplication. Okay, but there is no duplication in this folder. Okay. If we go to another folder, check for duplications. Here there are some duplications. Okay, but from my experience, you have to check it by yourself. Okay, for example, here you have it says you have two files regarding this paper. Okay, go here and you have here the two files. Okay, open the both files, both of files. Okay, and check if it is the same. It is the same, I think, in this case. Okay, so close it and delete one of them. Okay.
Again, how would check the application in the folder?
Okay. Just from tools, check for duplicates. Make it for this. Check for duplicates. For example, but from my experience, you have to check it by yourself. Okay, don't believe the program in all cases. To check if it is right or not, okay, go down from this window, down, and open both of files. Okay, I think in this case it is duplicated. Okay, so go back to the Mendeley and confirm merge. By pressing confirm merge, it will delete one of the files. Okay, here in this example we have 3. Okay, open it. In this case, as you can see here, it is not the same. Okay, it is the same title, but it is not the same paper. Okay, so in this case, don't believe the Mendeley. Okay. Now we are going to make a document using a Mendeley. Okay.
Excuse me, I have I saw the import.bib and the import from file.
Yes.
If I have a bib file, it just takes the references.
Yes.
Not
But I think you have to export this library from the, for example, from the Zotero. You have to export it from the library of the Zotero to outside. As here in Mendeley, you can export it to a library. Your library to just a file. Okay.
This means that I can take from it directly into LaTeX.
Yes. I think all of these programs can be used to LaTeX, of course.
What's the difference between Mendeley and LaTeX? Are you using documents here?
Yes.
So you're not using LaTeX?
Actually, I don't use LaTeX, so I don't have a very background about LaTeX.
The question, LaTeX is an editor. You type the document from scratch using libraries and stuff. But Mendeley is just an organizer, a library organizer that you have several PDFs and several files. It just organizes the files. Something like Microsoft Word and Gmail. Gmail just organizes the emails and things. Not like Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word writes documents from scratch.
So that means you can still use LaTeX and...
Yeah, they are not the same. Yeah, they are maybe...
Mendeley kind of arranges your reference for you.
Yeah,
Exactly.
The library.
Yes. This is mainly a reference manager. This is mainly a reference manager program. Okay.
What was the comment about BibTeX that you said? You said something about LaTeX that all reference managers deal with LaTeX or something.
I think all of this reference manager can be used with LaTeX in easy way.
Okay, so I know Zotero can be used in LaTeX and .bib is directly compatible with LaTeX.
I think here also mainly have to make it. Okay. Okay, regarding the other buttons from the window, okay, from file menu, you can add file, add folder, which folder if you want. Okay, import a library from another program, export your library to be imported to another program. Okay, delete a document, remove a folder. Okay, you can remove a folder from this folder. If you would like to add to remove this folder, just right click or go to files and remove folder. What is it? Here. Remove a folder, okay, or rename document file, or rename your file, your folder, okay. From edit, you can, if you would like to search about a specific topic in your library, okay, I can search here from in my all documents, okay, and just go click to all documents and search about what I need. For example, for methanol crossover. Okay, as you can see here, I have at least about 500 paper. Okay, it's just by luck. Without Mendeley, I have to open all of this document one by one, okay, to search about the title of each one, okay. But using Mendeley, I just write what I want in the research tab, okay, and I can see here the title of this paper, okay, and I can recognize what document I would like to open it, okay. So regarding the search itself, I think it is very, very useful. It saves so much time. Okay. If I would like to search in a certain folder in my library, just go to this folder, and it will filter the research regarding to this folder only. Okay. If I would like to go in another folder, what I want, you can make what do you want, okay. Just I am using usually I use drag and drop to make a copy from a file from folder to folder, but actually you can copy it and paste it from a folder to folder by using the edit menu, okay. From the view menu, you can arrange this window, okay, and you can. I will talk about this item separately, okay, deeply. It is very important item, okay. From tools here, you can uninstall web importer and uninstall MS Word plugin. Regarding to the using of the Mendeley in the Word, okay, at the first time you cannot use the Mendeley directly, okay. After installing the Mendeley, okay, you have to go to the Mendeley window from tool, and you can see here uninstall MS Word plugin, okay. Install MS Word plugin, okay, to import this Mendeley with into the Word documents, okay.
the references into Word, or this plugin is useful for what?
Okay. Regarding to the reference tab in the Word, okay, you can see here insert citation. It is the base of the Word itself, and you can see this tab. It is Mendeley Cite-O-Matic. Okay, without installation of the Mendeley, okay, you will not find this tab. Okay, this tab is regarding to the Mendeley bibliography. Okay, with installing the MS Word plugin, okay, you make the Word to recognize that you have a Mendeley program in your PC. Okay, as we have said, from tool you can check for duplicates, or make an option. Actually, I don't use it many times. Okay. To use the Mendeley in the writing of the paper, research paper, you have to write what you want. Okay, and just if you would like to add a reference to this sentences, go to the reference and insert citation. Here you would like to add a reference inside the wording. Okay, by pressing insert citation, you can see here you can go to Mendeley library, okay, and choose what you want to cite, okay, and just press cite. Okay, or you can write, if you already know the name of the reference, if you already know the name of the author, okay, the title, the published year, you can search about the papers that you would like to edit, okay, by any one of these items. Okay, for example, I would like to search about a paper regarding to the methanol crossover. Okay, as you can see here, we have many different research. Just press on it. Okay, if you would like to add many different citations, for example, 4 citations for the same sentence, you can write it again, methanol. Okay, methanol. Okay, and you can go down to search by your eyes about what you want. Okay, for example, I would like to add a reference from the author named by Amir Fakhri. Okay, so I will write his name, Amir or Fakhri. Here you can see the references from this author, all the references from this author. Okay, as you can see here, we have a mistake. Yes, we add a reference here and we add a reference here. If I would like to delete this reference, just delete it. Okay, if I would like to edit what I add in the reference, okay, click on the reference. As you can see here, this mistake, we did it as we move the cursor away from the reference and insert and click on insert citation. But if we add, if you would like to add another reference to the same reference, okay, to make many differences in the same tab, okay, you have to go to the reference, and as you can see here, this tab it is changed to edit citation. Okay, as you can see here, the first reference is already here. Okay, you can search about what you want and add again, for example, another one. Okay, and another one. Okay, if I would like to add a bibliography, okay, just insert a bibliography. Where is your references? Okay, I think this task takes about 7 days by yourself. Okay, if I would like to make another style, this is not my style that I would like to. Just click and choose which style would you want to apply it to your document. Okay, as you can see here, there is IEEE. Okay, and make a refresh. Okay, but let's check a different style. This is a different style. Okay, as you can see here, the styles use the name of the author and the published year. Okay, and as you can see here, the bibliograph style is already changing. Okay, go back to any one, for example this. Okay, and make another reference. Okay, for example water. Okay. As you can see here, okay, we have some references is already used before, okay, and some references new. Okay, it is already managed automatically. Okay, I know. Okay. If I make it cut and paste and make a refresh, it will be rearranged. Okay. If you have any question till now, you can ask.
Can I just put on the reference itself? That one.
Yes.
It gave the definitions.
It gives what?
That's from page 237 to 243. Okay.
Yeah, some reference styles put the number of pages inside the volume of the journal.
Okay, that's true.
I was asking about why are there pages in the reference?
Yes.
Because some
depends on the reference style.
This is paper inside the volume.
This is the next step. What I would like to talk about it. It is how to modify this style, how to make your own style. Okay. Okay. If you have any question till now.
Sorry, how you make comma and hyphen?
It is already made automatically. Okay. This is a magic button by synchronize. Okay, you will upload your documents to your online library. Okay, and go to another PC and download the Mendeley.
Are you using your mobile network?
Yes. Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Sorry, I want to put the hyphen inside the two packets, not between two packets.
This is what you are talking about. It is the reference style itself. How to modify it? Okay. If you cannot modify it by yourself in the document itself. You have
here when you choose three references, it automatically put a hyphen between
yes.
1 and 3.
Yes.
But my file, it puts a hyphen between.
Okay, you can choose another reference style.
Is this related to the style itself?
Yes. Okay, you can choose. You can try it.
So the style fix citation and the reference.
Everything. Everything. Okay. If you would like to modify anything in the style, don't modify it by yourself. Okay. If you would like to modify anything in this style reference, in this reference style, you have to go here from view. Okay. And choose your style. You can see here if more styles. In this tab, firstly, you can search about any styles that you already that you don't have it in your PC. Okay. For example, ASME. Okay. As you can see here, the ASME is already in my library. But firstly, you will not have ASME in your library. Okay. If you connect your PC to the network, okay, to the internet network. You can download many styles, okay, and use it, okay. The next issue, if I would like to modify some styles, for example, I will use this style in this document, Harvard, okay. As you can see here, this style make a practice about all of the references, okay. I would like to make this practice, okay, to be about only the year of the publication, okay, and make some modifications in the bibliography writing itself, okay.
In this case, the style itself is not available in the library of.
Yes. Okay. If you would like, there are some papers or some conferences uses special styles, okay, and it is not already in the Mendeley, and you cannot find it online, okay. In this case, you have to make your own style, but it will be easier to use an existing style and to modify it, okay. To make it, you have to go to View, Citation Style, More Styles, and choose what style would you like to modify. What is Harvard? This is Harvard, okay. Right click, Edit Style.
Could you just the last step, edit style from Mendeley?
Okay. View, citation style, more styles. Choose which style would you like to modify. Edit style.
Oh, right click.
Right click. I'm sorry.
No problem. No, that's thank you very much.
Okay. It would like to make an confirmation that you would like to modify style. Just authorize. Okay. I don't know, but actually Google Chrome makes some troubles.
Have you used Docare before? Docare program?
I don't know. But regarding this,
Zotero? Some other.
you can change your default browser, okay, and go back again to open it in your default browser, okay. Just change your browser, okay.
It needs certain browsers to
I don't know, on my PC, Google Chrome make some conflict with this issue.
On the side note, I think Firefox is the best browser.
Yes. Okay. I'm sorry, but I have to go to get this password. So okay. After login to your Mendeley account, you can see here. This is your style. Okay, this is your style. Okay, you can see here. This is an example of citation. Okay, the author and the practice about the author all of the citation. Okay, I would like to change the practice to make it about the year only. Okay, you can see here the three of the citation: inline citation and the bibliography and the macros. From my practice, just use this example of citation. Okay, you can click on it. Okay, and go here, for example. You can choose every part year and months, or you can choose it from here, the name, group, layout. Okay, you can see here the affixes. Okay, you put the prefix practice and suffix practice. You can delete it. Okay, as you can see here, it is already updated to the inline citation. Okay, you can go to add it to the year. Okay, insert it again here. Okay, it is already added. Okay, make it again. Okay,
Excuse me, from when we in this window.
okay. I open this window from view, citation style, more styles. Choose the style what you want to modify, edit style. Okay, it will automatically open this window in your default browser. Okay. Okay, to make it again the practice about all of the citation. Okay, you can choose the year and go here, delete the practice about the year. Okay, and go to the layout and add the prefix. I think we can use another practice here and here. Okay, if I would like to add another practice to the year, here and here. Okay, if I would like to delete the date itself, I can delete it just here and use here and think I don't know, but date and parts.
Disable maybe.
Disable maybe. Yes. Okay. Enable it again and
Question: why would I need to change the citation style?
actually I learned this issue from about 1 week ago. As when you write, I was writing a paper for some reference for a certain conference, and it used its citation. It must be the practice about the year only. Okay, and it has some issue about the bibliography also. Okay.
Some custom citation, not
Yes.
standard citation.
Yes.
Okay.
So instead of if you would like to make your own citation from scratch, you can make it, but you have to learn us. I don't know. But if you would like to, it is recommended also by the Mendeley itself. You have to choose the most appropriate citation style and modify it. Don't build it from scratch. Okay, you can go to the year and
Could I reset the citation to the default or save it with another name maybe?
you can do both of them. You can save your
Or
style
save as.
or save as style for
But
example.
already start from a certain style, and I don't want to disrupt the
Yes.
original style,
Yes.
so I can save it with maybe Harvard 1, Harvard 2, Harvard 3, IEEE 2, IEEE 3.
عندك حق الصغير.
If you would like to modify the bibliography itself, you can click it in the bibliography, okay, and do the same. Okay, you can select the author from the tree and make what you want about the author. You can add some practice, okay, about the author, about the date. You can make what you want, okay.
The notification just only about the practice.
No, you can do what you want, but you have to. It is many items. Okay, I'm talking about what I already did. Okay, but here you can choose the date parts you want, year or months or year only. Okay, if you would like to add the page of the papers. Okay, the page. If you would like to add the DOI of the paper, okay, you can make it short or long, okay. If you would like to know what about the journal, okay, you can choose the style of adding journal, the title itself. Title you can make as the title short, okay. In some papers you don't have the whole of the title, just some symbols, okay, and you have to search about the paper by yourself, okay. So you can make it as you would like. Okay, let's get back. Just title, okay. Just I use this. I prefer to use this window, okay, because I don't have many practice about this tree, okay. But here I see what I would like to change, okay.
What about the style of the reference in the text? Practice one or
this is an example of citation, okay. You can make a group, okay. Locator, chapter number, short, symbol, lowercase, sentence. You are talking about adding the citation inside the text itself, okay?
in the text?
Yes. As you can see here, this is an example of citations, okay? You can click on every part of the citation, okay? And go here and change it, okay? Or you can choose it from the tree, line citation. This item is a line citation.
If, for example, if I want to write it as a one, it means a bracket.
Okay.
Or superscript. Now I can do it.
Okay, you can see here. The author, but we already choose a citation style, okay, using the name. If you would like to change the citation from by the name to a number, okay, you can choose another citation style, already use the number and modify it. I didn't make this issue before because just the first step to modify to make your own citation style, to choose the most appropriate one, okay, the one that is very close to your to what you want in your citation style, okay, because I think regarding this issue you have to go to these macros, and I think this is not an easy issue. Okay.
Regarding changing plugins.
With your own citation style,
If you would like to change the base of the citation style, you have to go in deep.
Okay, not just some brackets and some
Yes.
stuff, you have to dig deeper.
Yes.
Professor Shalabi.
With Sam Shalabi, our supervisors, has a famous word, dig more. Go deeper.
Yes, I need to dig more.
Okay.
Another one. Can you tell me that?
After making the changing citation, okay, you can from style here you can save the style, okay, to make this modification to the origin style, okay, or save a style as to make another style. For example, you just okay and save. Okay, allow. Okay, as you can see here, you have just in our library. What is it? This is a style. Okay, you can use this style. Okay, and then make a refresh and check for the style itself again. What is it? Okay. Just
get more styles.
no, it is already changing. Okay, and this is the original style. Okay, the Harvard, and this is the modified style. Okay, as you can see here, it is highlighted by the name. Okay. Okay. That's it. This is the end. If you have any question.
Just let them know you have there was something about some short title and something. What is the significance of that again? In the editing of the style.
Actually, in some journals, okay, you haven't you have not to write all the title of the paper in your bibliography. Okay, you have just add the first letter of the title and just symbols from the brief title.
Part of the title
Okay.
to consume all the
Yes.
space. Okay. Some journals require not the whole title, just some abbreviations of title.
Actually, I faced this journals, and it is not very useful. Some journals asks you about to add the DOI of your reference. Okay, some journals asking you about to add comma after each author, to add all of the author name, not just a brief. Okay, to delete the page number. Okay, to delete the volume number.
There are
So
some
that-
journals that require customized
Yes.
references. I thought maybe it's about us, but all IEEE and maybe not IEEE journals and communication refer to IEEE referencing without any changes. I didn't hear about changing the reference style except now.
I already made it.
Okay.
So I was using this software from about 5 months ago. Okay, and I just use this option from a week.
A week ago. Okay. Okay. I think engineering programmer is asking how to connect Mendeley with LaTeX. I would say that you can export from Mendeley a .bib file, then import it to Text Studio or Text text maker or text whatever program she was using, and the program was intelligent enough just to select references by just searching for some author name or title or stuff. It's just like the plugin for Word, but LaTeX is automatic. LaTeX doesn't need a plugin. Just export the web file and add it to a folder and import it to LaTeX, and it will you will find it in the lecture, in the video lecture uploaded in the forward.
Regarding
And the engineer Hamza would confirm that. I think that's what we had in the latest lecture course. So, engineer Manar imported the web file and used it to search for references and edit.
In LaTeX you make .web file and you can go to Google and get it.
You don't need Google now. You have all the references you need from it.
Wait, it's fun.
Okay, after the lecture.
The reference in Mendeley, you download it and save it there.
Okay, I forget another part.
You download and save it Mendeley. It's not like Mendeley provide it.
Okay, if you have another reference and you cannot download it to your library, okay, you can cite it online. Okay.
Using the web importer. There is a tool like the MS plugin, the MS Word plugin. It is installed with
as you can see here,
yes.
I have here in my bookmarks. Okay,
Just add the entry.
just go to the Mendeley. Okay. What is this? As you can see here, download Mendeley desktop and install web importer. Okay, in this case you have to install web importer. By installing web importer, you can see this tab, save to Mendeley.
Just if you go down, just take the drag the save Mendeley to the bookmarks tab.
I already added it to the bookmarks to make it easier, but you will find it in your bookmarks already. Okay, let's check it. For example, for Science Direct.
So in this case, you have the reference, but you don't have the document.
Yes.
I mean, it doesn't make sense.
No, you can check it together. What is this?
In case you have it in another laptop or something, or you read it before, but you don't have it right now, or maybe a printed version.
Okay, let's search about CO2.
Maybe I teach you want to decide people who work in this area without reading every page.
Okay.
I think if you could
What is that?
Just
Okay.
search for like optical fiber or something.
Exactly. Just search for that.
What did you do to the PC? Okay. What is the problem? What did you do to the PC?
So, okay, just one more fact. There are some scholarly articles.
Okay.
Maybe it was And Sarah did say something before. There is something on the system.
The red notes, it's something wrong with the system.
Maybe some direct servers or something.
Yes.
Okay, maybe that's
Okay, to use this reference to the citation without download it, just after installing the web importer, okay, just save it to Mendeley.
You search the page and find the citations.
Yes.
And then when I search, I will refer to the not to the paper this time, or not to the document, but this information.
Yes. I think.
Add to,
I think it will be referred to the paper, not to the website. Okay. As you can see here, this is the title of the paper. Okay.
so it's better to select the location from Add2. Add2 is all good one. So I can select the position, the location in the only where I want to put it. Yes.
Here, just I open the web page and click Save to Mendeley.
Okay.
Okay.
I talk about the location, which will put saved in.
Open in Mendeley and edit it to the required folder.
Actually,
So I think we will know the name which will be saved in.
Okay, let's search about this. I already didn't have this this reference. Okay, just to make a synchronization.
you get your answers just be then.
Okay, and search about. As you can see here, you can find the reference, but you don't have the file.
Yes.
Okay, as you can see in another files. Okay, you have the reference and the file. Okay, in this reference, for example, I don't have the file in my hard disk, so I cannot open. As you can see here, it is not activated. I cannot open the file. Okay, so let's check to add it to the reference. Okay, for example, edit citation. Okay, this is number 7. Okay, number 7, just the paper.
But it
No,
can
no,
search.
sorry.
But it can search its content.
Yes.
It's just an entry and some title and some authors and if you search.
You cannot open the file itself.
Opening the file is one thing, and searching inside the file. Does it have the file? It may have if it has the file.
If you don't have the file, you cannot search inside the file.
Okay, it won't give you results even if some other user has the same file.
For another example, if you would like to cite a website, for example, Wikipedia. Okay. Just also save to Mendeley.
It's trying to find a paper.
Using Mendeley, can I extract highlighted text in many documents to one document?
It finished.
For example, in the literature review, I read 10 papers, and each paper I made a highlight in the abstract on some text. Then I want to
Collect
all this highlighted text in one document.
No, I don't think so.
It would be very good in literature review.
No. Okay.
I think it would. I don't think any program would do that because it would have some copyright issues.
This is our website.
You
Okay.
parts of it.
You can edit,
It will make something.
Just notes.
edit research.
We want to collect your notes from. Okay.
Okay. Make a refresh.
Good point, by the way. Program like that.
This is your website here. Okay?
Cool.
It's a magic.
What's the concept of groups? We talk about folders.
Where is it? Here?
Groups.
From here.
We have
File menu.
I think after folders there are groups.
we have
At the end of the folder tree.
folders are
My library under my create a group.
If you would like to share your library with another persons, you can make a group, okay? And like a Dropbox, you can invite me to your library, and I can invite you to your library, etc.
Mendeley book.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you for your attention.